Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and this is going to be fun. Before I tell you the story, because there's a story, I would like to thank Irene Meyer for becoming a member of my channel. Thank you, Irene. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I would like to thank Gina Beachy for some Diet Pepsis. She said, happy fall, and thanks for the entertainment. Well, this is going to be entertaining. Thank you, ladies. Thank you for everyone and for everything that you do. And this is due in part to my wonderful Diet Pepsi supporters, because all of my Diet Pepsis went right into my PayPal so that I could get this product. Okay? It is my camera. But before I get into it, let me tell you the story of this. And I'll try to make it quick, because you don't want to listen to a long story. I spent months researching what I wanted, spent another little while once I decided which camera I wanted, where I was going to get it, and who I was going to get it from, because there were multiple packages. I got it on Amazon. Multiple packages. I looked at sellers, chose, finally hit the buy button, click, go. It was going to take about a week to get to me. It came much quicker than that, much quicker than I expected. And I was like, okay, well, all right then. It was due to arrive at my house, I believe, on Tuesday morning. And I was in bed, sound asleep. I heard a loud truck. Woke up. I'm like, oh, what's going on? I'm like, oh, it's Tuesday. It's the Schwann's man. Okay. Apparently it wasn't. Apparently it was the UPS man. And he did not leave it because of the value. Didn't leave it. So I got a little notice through Amazon that the delivery was attempted. They would try again. So the next day, I'm awake. I'm ready to go. Our UPS man never comes at 9 o'clock in the morning. Never. I don't know what was going on. But I waited, and I waited, and I waited. Then the Schwann's man showed up, and I was like, wait a minute. Schwann's man's here. What in the world? Okay. I guess it wasn't the Schwann's man. No. It was on Tuesday. The Schwann's man showed up, and I was like, oh, why would... I messed up the whole story. Schwann's man showed up on Tuesday, and that's when I realized, wait, it wasn't him that I heard. That's when I went to look at my Amazon and found out it had already been, they'd attempted to deliver it. Anyhow, Wednesday comes, and I'm waiting, and I'm waiting, and I'm waiting, and I'm like, no, and no. Dale calls me at 11:30 and says, are you expecting a package today? And I said, yeah, my camera. And he goes, well, it's at the Advanced Auto in town. And I was like, your package. I was like, what? Why would my package be at the Advanced Auto? And how do you know? Did they call you? And he goes, no, my nephew called me. Now I'm really confused. I'm like, well, your nephew called you. My nephew, his nephew, works in town. We all have the same last name. And apparently the guy at Advanced Auto who knows him, actually, Dale knows him, they're family friends, small town stuff. The guy at Advanced Auto called my nephew and asked if he was expecting a package, what his address was. He gave it to him. Oh, and he's like, oh no. He goes, that's my Uncle Dale. He said, I'll call him. So the nephew calls Dale. Dale calls me. Okay. So anyhow, then I get to Advanced Auto, and I'm like, why is it here? Well, come to find out, Advanced Auto is a drop-off and pick-up center for UPS. I had no idea. So they had my package because UPS dropped it off to them because they couldn't deliver it to me. They only tried once. But then my thought was, how was I supposed to know that? How was I supposed to know? I don't know. If he hadn't known the Dipple family and known to call a Dipple, I wouldn't have known it was there. It never said anything on Amazon. So I'm not happy with that. Anyhow, it's here. I opted for one that had a package. There was a different one that was just the camera. And I got a package. So I have batteries. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. This is going to be a whole new thing for me. I'm going to have to learn this inside and out. But we have batteries. I have a memory card. I can save things on it. 64 gigabyte. I'm not certain if that's large, small. I don't know. I've never had one. Look at this. It comes with a little tripod. This is cool. It's one of these little flexy ones. How do we get in? Now, I will not use this for my like on the counter, you know. Oh, how do these, oh, look it. This is cool. Just, it says it's flexible. Oh, they are flexible. Look, they've all bend. Cool. So you can make it do whatever you want it to do. Hook your camera on the top here. It's adjustable. Da, 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 da. Nice, nice, nice. So that came with my package. Okay. You go over there. It reminds me of a little alligator or something. I got a case with it. That's cool. So this one, like I said, had a few extra things. It came with the memory card, the tripod, the case, for like $10 more, I think. So I'm hoping there's like a strap inside. We got a little handle. Nice. It's a nice little case, right? Yep, and here's our strap. And look, it's like divided in there. So you can put some things over here, put the camera over here. Nice. Okay, cool. That's a nice bonus. Okay. Yeah, for $10 more. And they had a decent rating, the company did. Because this was shipped from an outside seller, not directly through Amazon. And so, yeah. Okay. I've never had a camera like this. You guys would laugh if you see my only camera. I have it. It's right here. It's funny. Let me show you the only camera I've ever owned. And this thing is so old. Look at. Here's my camera. Look at. I haven't used it in so long. Look at. This is my little camera that I had. It was a decent little camera. I could take some pictures with it and stuff. But that's the only camera I've ever had. Everything else has been done with my phone. So lots of instructions, directions, booklets, stuff, register it, blah, blah, blah. Ah, you guys. Okay. Oh, we have a strap. It says Canon. Okay. In case you didn't know, it's a Canon. I opted for the Canon, the M50. The Canon M50. Look, it says Kiss. All right. This is what? Battery pack. Okay, yeah, lithium battery, which I believe this is just another one, probably. Yeah. All right, and this is our charging pack, I'm assuming. I have no idea. No, 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 this is a lens. Oh, this is a lens. Cool. Help me, folks, help me. This is gonna be a, woo, this is gonna be a whole thing. So this is a lens, all right, 15 to 45 millimeter, a zoom lens up to 45. This is like a cap, am I right? Oh, there's the lens. Oh my goodness. Okay, can I get this back on? No. No, how do you do it? I don't know. It came off so easy. Oh, there, it's back. No, it's not. There, it's back on. Okay, this is how you would unscrew it and put it on. Okay, yep. I'm gonna mess with everything, huh? Okay, a nice lens. Sweet. Okay, what's in this side? Must be the camera. Oh, wait, hang on. That's the camera. One more thing. Charging, right? We have to charge it. Okay, so this is how we charge our battery. Plugs into the wall, put your battery in there. Nice. That's pretty simple. Put your battery in here, plug this thing into the wall, charges your battery up. And I have two. Yay. I have this one and I have this one. Are they exactly the same? I'm sure they are, but let's see. Let's see. Okay, battery. This is just in a little case, I believe. Okay, cool. I got two batteries. Nice. Okay, that's all the goodies that came with it. It's a nice little package. I like the package. I love this, love that. Okay. All right, and here is, here it is. You know, I know, some people are like, wow, you know, it's a camera, but I've waited a long time for it, and you know. Okay. Okay. Now, they had a white one, and this package didn't come with the white. So that's why I didn't get the white one. You've been blurry the whole time here, haven't you? Come on. Focus? No. It's like, no? Okay, try again. I don't know. It's not wanting to focus. Go away. Everything go away. Focus. There we go. So I'm going to have to read up on this. All of the settings, menu, info. Here's the viewfinder. But this is the cool thing. How does this open? Here's the cool thing. Is that it's got this, right? And I believe, yeah, this turns. So if I am filming this way with my camera this way, I can see what I'm filming here in the viewfinder there. Oh my gosh. This, I don't know what that's for. This is where it would hook onto a tripod. It's just, oh my gosh. Okay, so there's lots and lots for me to learn. But let me say thank you to the people who helped me purchase this with your Diet Pepsis. Like I said, I just saved them up in my PayPal, because coffees or Diet Pepsis go right to my PayPal. See, I don't even know how to take that off. Clearly it has to come off because, you know, you can't take a picture through there. So I've got a lot to learn, a lot of directions to read and things like that. See, it goes on there, right? These two caps have to come off and it has to go on there. I know that's how it works. I have to thinking it just, oh, it does. There we go. I don't want to wreck anything. So the lens will go on here. Nice. Okay. You guys. Oh boy. I will, like I said, I will use this for my vlogging, for outside things, you know, the farm video stuff on the counter. I'm probably still just going to use my phone. It's just easiest that way. But this will be for some of that other stuff. It's just, oh, thank you. Thank you for helping me get it. And wish me luck in learning how to use it now. Okay? Wish me luck. It's going to take some time for me to learn how to use it. All right. Thanks for watching this, you guys. And thanks for all you do to support what I do. All right. Enough said. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.